Hi loves! Welcome back to another unboxing episode. It's been a month since I did an unboxing video, so today's video I'm going to share with you guys the two limited edition that I got from Louis Vuitton. But before that, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Just click subscribe and hit the bell button for you to notify if I have new videos like this. Hello, it's me again, Jenny King. To those new here, I'm a fashion stylist, designer, and entrepreneur. I'm sharing unboxing videos, fashion events, and sometimes my daily lifestyle. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. I love you guys. Anyways, let's talk about these two limited edition pieces that I got. Actually, these are from by the Pool collection. I know it's already late, but I haven't unboxed this yet. So since I didn't go out much nowadays because of pandemic, I thought I'm gonna share this unboxing with you guys. I got this last February, I think. So talagang hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. So this is my first time to unbox this pieces. So yeah, I'm gonna share it with you guys. I do love unboxing. I get excited when I do this, the excitement when you open new things and all that. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay, I will start here with a small box. So let's see. Okay. So if you notice, this is super small. So I think you guys guess it right. Yes, this is the Tcharam! So this is the mini pochette accessories. Yes, look at that beauty. This is so beautiful. I love the color. Actually, I already have the monogram of this, but this is leather also. So I love this. That's why I got this. And actually I got this for my baby Jordan. So yeah, but I can use it also, right? So this is super beautiful. Look at that pieces. And my SA told me that this piece, the LV discontinued this already. So I'm so lucky that I got this piece. So yeah, so this is also collectible items. So this is super nice to add in your collection if you're collecting Louis Vuitton. This one is a must-have. So yes, all you know, this is the inside. This, it's also pink suede inside, I think. And look at the beauty. I will show you guys this one. And I already bought gold chain, long chain. So if I want to use this as a sling bag, I can use this because of the gold chain. So you can also add insert here if you want. But yeah, this is super duper love. I love it. And even this is small, you can put a lot inside. I already did the what fits inside on the monogram canvas of this one. So if you haven't watched it, I will put the link below. So yeah, so I can put a lot with this small bag. I love this because this is also leather, and yeah, I love the color. It's pink, it's so me, and actually for my baby Jordan. So yeah, I love it. Super nice. Okay, let's move on to the next item. This one, so it's like a medium box. So I don't know if you guys guess it. Can you guess it? What is inside? Okay, let me unbox this. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, oops. Yes, it's here. This one. Wow, this is the kirigami. Okay, I love the color. If you will notice, it's ombre color, pink here, and this one it's yellow. So I love this. Okay, oh, this is the second. I love the color also. It's nude and it's blue. Super love the combination. And the last one, the little envelopes. Yes, this is the coin purse. You can use this as a coin purse. See, I love all the color combination of this three. Super love the color combination of this three. It's ombre, it's so me. I love the pastel color, and I already did a if you watch my last video, the kirigami monogram, I already did a what fits inside, so I'm not going into details about this. So yeah, so this one is also a nice addition to your collections. Super nice. This is a must-have. So since I got this piece, I'm thinking I'm going to sell my kirigami monogram. So, and I'm gonna keep this because look at that. This is super beautiful, right? This is super stunning. I love this. Actually, this is my first time to see this in person, in actual, because when I bought this, my friend got this for me in the store. So I saw this already lang sa photo. So that's why I'm so amazed when I look this in actual. It's super beautiful. I love all the details, especially this one. The logo or the monogram print, it's embossed, so I super love it. So super love the details. That's why it's wow. I'm amazed, and it's super beautiful in actual. So yeah, that's why. And you know, I do have also another pieces that I love from this collection, like the mini backpack. I thought it's so beautiful. I love it. I can wear it. I can wear it for travels. You know, I can pair it with anything. Also, I love the color combination also of that, and I also love the 3 pouch, the size 26. And I also like the Nice BB. It's super beautiful also. And the On the Go I also love that, and so on. So there's a lot of beautiful pieces in this collection, but these two I'm happy that I get this, and so lucky because this is a limited edition. You know, you can get this anymore, especially this one, because they already discontinued this on. You know, I love pastel colors, especially the ombre. I do love it. That's why most of the items I love it talaga. And oh yeah, this small box here, it's a free gift from my SA. It's all is a sample perfume. So I do love my SA because yeah, they are so thoughtful. So hello to Patrick and Aljen. So thank you so much guys for assisting me always. So yeah, there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment below if you have any suggestion. And thank you so much for the love and support. I will see you again soon for my next unboxing videos. Bye!